One of the things that's unique about Bak is that we're a total solution, right? We care about the people that build the products, we care about the way the products are made, and we ultimately also care very deeply about the customers whose needs we're trying to satisfy.
We are the only tablet PC manufacturer in the United States that are producing the tablet from A to C. Our overall goal is to bring jobs back to the United States. By doing that here in Buffalo, it's our hope that we will encourage other companies to do the same.
It's a great story, particularly that it came from Denmark and chose Buffalo, and you know, the U.S. obviously was relying on manufacturing jobs for most of the past century. A lot of them have been lost. It's created tremendous challenges for Buffalo and many other cities around the country. So bringing those jobs back and really putting people to work is part of what entrepreneurship needs to do. It's not just about technology. It's not just about creating kind of wealth. It's also about creating jobs and helping to lift up communities.
Steve Case coming here is a huge inspiration. It's going to galvanize everybody in the organization. It's going to make us feel that we're a part of something bigger, and it's really going to rejuvenate our efforts here and make us want to do it, and to do it well, even more than ever before.